Pastor Jeff here. In this week's Wednesday Encouragement, I want to share with you a phrase that I hear thrown around a lot in this installment of Straight Outta Context. The phrase that I'm referring to that gets used a lot, I hear it a lot, is God will not give you more than you can handle, or something along that equivalent. The problem is, it's just not in the Bible. It's not anywhere in Scripture. The closest reference to it is in 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13. No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. And God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, He will also provide a way out so that you can endure it. The problem is, nowhere in there does it say, He won't give you more than you can handle. It says you won't be tempted more than you can handle. And when you are tempted, He will give you a way out. We recently took a walk on a trail near our house with one of my nieces. And as we were walking, she's walking along fine, until we got to a really tough section of the climb. At that point in the climb, I needed to put her on my back and carry her up the tough section. We'll often face in our lifetime things that we cannot handle. And there are times in our lives when we're going to need God to carry us. The question is, really, are we willing to trust Him in a situation that is more than we can handle? In times when we really need to trust God, I like doing a small little exercise. I have people cup their hands together and envision the problem or the situation in which they can't handle or they don't have an answer to. And I ask them to envision placing that problem into their hands, doing something physical on dealing with something that's a spiritual, emotional, or mental situation. And then once we're envisioning that situation in our hands, raising our hands and releasing it to God, trusting that He will handle what we cannot handle. So what is the situation right now in your life that you can't handle? So take some time today to practice that exercise with the things that you cannot handle. I trust that this has been an encouragement to you. God bless.